Thank you very much to give me opportunity. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My title for this article is Polyphenol is Sappan wood, Caesalpinia Sappan L, extract results of ultrasonic assisted software extraction. We are a team. We are Andi Muhammad Iqbal Akbar Aswar and Andi Muhammad Irfan Taufan Aswar. Since time immemorial, Sappan has been used to mix drinks and dyes in water, especially in my village in southern Bonis, South Sulawesi. Several studies have also stated that the Sappan plant can be antidote to free radicals by 89.9% and is able to treat various diseases such as cancer, diabetes, shock, arthritis, and premature aging. Even recent research explains that the Sappan plant can treat breast and lung cancer. And several studies have explained that tannins and flavonoids are part of phenol, while other studies also state that phenol is part of the polyphenols with the largest amount of sugar in sappanwood extract is Brazilin or Brazilian. And about the method, its research is actually to study the effect of pH on the water solvent used for polyphenol levels for each pH variations. The samples used were from Biru Village, Kahu District, Bone Regency in South Sulawesi. The sapan wood that has been prepared is extracted first using an ultrasonic extractor or sonicators. Then the absorbance was measured using a UV visible spectrophotometers at wavelengths of 120 and 760 nanometers. The method used is the follicle-Satow method, which then measures the total polyphenol content using a standard gallic acid curve, which is the measure as the gallic acid equivalent. And the results obtained by treating pH variations by extracting at the temperature of 80 degrees Celsius with a time of 20 minutes found the fact that the higher the pH of the water solvent used, the lower the polyphenols in the sappanwood extract. Whereas the total polyphenol levels are shown that pH 6, pH 7, and pH 8 are 34.33%, 30.70%, and 12.69%. And the results of identify of total polyphenol content, a standard curve of gallic acid with the concentrations of 0.5 until 5 milligram per liter or ppm was made. The absorbance of each standard was read using a spectrophotometer UV visible, then the standard curve was made. The result of the absorbance reading for each sample are plotted against a standard curves. Polyphenol content was calculated as gallic acid equivalent or GAA. So in this research, was obtained the result of identifications of polyphenol levels in solvent using water at pH 6 until 8 containing polyphenols with a polyphenols content range 0.03433 until 0.21266 milligram per 100 milliliters. And about the polyphenol for this research, we obtained that greatly influenced by the heating conditions in addition to the pH of extract solutions. And a factor that greatly influences the total polyphenol content is the pH of the solvent used. So this research is contradictions analysis with from Srinivasan and Carlina in 2020 and 2060. They conduct the research through pH as various with qualitative analysis was found that in sappanwood extract did not contain polyphenols. Meanwhile, this research contradictions with our research that decided on analysis through qualitative to determine a polyphenol compound prove that in various pH significantly has polyphenols compound. So we have the conclusions for the research that the polyphenol content in sappanwood extract solution will linearly decrease or low with a pH 6 until H indicates a polyphenol levels of 34.33%, at pH 6 compared to pH 7 and pH 8. So I think that's all of my research about the influence of pH water as solvent to polyphenols content in Sappan extract. Thank you very much.